Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and assembly of the Windone K2 e-bike. So now we just got it out of the box, we'll start putting it together. Yeah, so we can see here we have our power supply, our pedals, our light, our air pump, the tools we'll use for our assembly, our shock, and our mudguard. So now we're gonna be putting our front wheel on. So we'll take these covers off first and then get ready to install our wheel. All right, now we're gonna put our wheel bar in. Before we put our wheel on, I suggest you flip the bike upside down. So now we're gonna put our wheel bar in and we'll put these both on first on both sides. Make sure the small one is here on this side. So now we're gonna put our wheel on. So now we'll put our washers on both sides and screw on top. After we have our wheel on, make sure these are all the way tight. So now we're gonna take these screws out. Now we're gonna put our handlebars on. Now we're gonna tighten our screws back again so we can at least hold it in place before we adjust the angle. So here we have our left and our right pedals, so we're gonna put our left one on first. Now we're gonna put our right pedal on. So we'll tighten it a little bit with our hand first. So now we're gonna put our light on. So we'll take both of these off on each side. So make sure you put the rubber washers inside. Now we're gonna plug our light in, make sure the arrows pointing towards each other. We're also gonna plug our display in as well. Okay, now we're gonna put on our mud guard. So we'll take this screw out first. Make sure the bracket is one on each side, and then we'll put our screw back through here. Like normal, we'll tighten it as much as we can. So now we're gonna put our rear shock on. So now we're gonna take this nut out first, and then this one will come out second. All right, so we're gonna take this screw out first. So first we're gonna make sure it's lined up in the holes on the top. We'll put our screw in from the other side, like that. And then we can do our screw here on the top. So now we're gonna put our battery on. So after we put our battery on, we'll use our keys and turn it clockwise to make sure the battery's locked in place. So now we're gonna pump up our tires. So we'll put this on first, lock it in place. So now we're gonna charge our battery. So now that our bike is ready and we've tested everything, we can finally take it out for a spin.